think I have 55 days until my month-long stay in Italy, which I cannot believe those words are coming out of my mouth. I am so excited. So we have come to a moment in time where I think it's okay to start purchasing things here and there for my trip. How many times have I said in videos I am very limited on packing? So I picked out a few things from Walmart, which, by the way, this video is in partnership with Walmart. Thank you for sponsoring my video. I am so excited to show you the European vibe things that I picked out. I think I have 4 complete outfits, though you can mix and match several things to make more outfits, and that's kind of the idea for packing. So I was very strategic when picking out the pieces. So I want to try everything on for you and kind of explain my thought process. Also, I think that you'll really love these pieces. If you're not familiar, which at this point, if you're not new here, then you are very familiar. Walmart does incredible plus size trendy items. They're actually affordable. The app, I say it every single time as well, is where it's at. If you're shopping the app, you can narrow down your model size, the brands you want, the styles. So I did get everything on Walmart. I will link it all down below in the description box for you. If I don't mention what size I'm wearing, I will list it next to the link down below. Let's start with the all white number. I think this would be so pretty walking around in Rome. Both pieces are free assembly. Top is the cotton cropped boxy tee in the color white, obviously. These boxy tees are a go-to of mine. I love the way that they look with pants like I'm wearing with shorts. You could even tuck them into something, maybe a pair of jeans. There's so many options with this, and I prefer like a roomier boxy fit. I also like that it's slightly cropped. Pants are the linen blend pull-on cargo pants. Pants are in a size extra, extra large. Top is in a size 2X. Dare I say my favorite part about this outfit are these shoes. I have been holding off on buying a similar pair because I knew that these were coming, and I'm so excited and so happy that I did. These are Madden Girl brand, this hot pink with the green detail on the back. I also love No Boundaries sneakers, like bright colored sneakers like this from Walmart, so I'll link those down below for you too. When I was younger, I would match every single outfit to my shoes, and I can't tell you how excited I am that colorful bright shoes are back on trend. These pants are the absolute perfect pants for travel and for packing, which is a big deal, but also for walking around in the heat. They're a lighter feel. I like the crop look. I like the drawstring elastic waist. They do have pockets. Also, the little cargo pocket on the side is an actual pocket, and I think that is so cute. This size fits me so well. I just front tucked the white tee because it is cropped and a little bit boxy. I think untucked is really cute too. Also tucked all the way around, you do have enough fabric left if that's your thing. This is just effortless and classic looking. These pants, I cannot ask for a better feeling pant, and they're just slightly cropped. I'm 5'8" for reference, so if you're any shorter than me, you're probably gonna get more of a full length pant. Obviously any taller, they're gonna be a little bit shorter, but this is like my ideal length for a slightly cropped pant. Just imagine this, a bag, some sunglasses, a bunch of jewelry, and you're walking around just like the Colosseum, the Roman Forum. Oh, let me get some gelato. Oh, you wanted to stop in and do a little bit of shopping? Outfit number 2, just wait until you see these pants. Free assembly brand embroidered pants in a size extra, extra large. These are a slightly cropped, almost flare bottom, very high-waisted. The pockets are these like square pockets here in the front. I'm just wearing the same white tee with these. These are the perfect pant for Venice. They have a fish print on them. You know, Venice is on the water. I feel like these are gonna be so fun. I just have it front tucked slightly so that you can see the pants. Though with these pants, I do think leaving the top untucked is really cute too. But for the purposes of my outfit, I will front tuck it because let me show you the shoes. These are Time and True ankle strap espadrilles. They're black on the top. I love the closed toe. I also think the little ankle strap detail is really pretty. Also, I got these on sale. But this shoe with this outfit, I just knew would be perfect. I have seen quite a few people that I follow doing espadrilles for their European summer vacations, and they look cute. Okay, so I wanted to give it a go. This outfit is how I want to be in Venice on my vacation. These pants have quite a bit of stretch to them, which makes them even more comfortable. There's also a stretch band in the back. I love them super high-waisted. I think that's really cute, again, to do the slight front tuck. The bottom of the pant also hits at the perfect spot to be able to see the ankle strap on the shoe. So outfit number 2, again, imagine this one, a crossbody bag, big sunglasses. I'm getting on a water taxi. Also, if you're watching this and you're coming with me, welcome to some of my outfits. I don't even want to take this one off. I just feel so cute and comfortable and on theme and just all the things. I love the style and the look of this. I feel like this is very classic and comfortable like looking as well as the first one. Let's dress it up next for maybe a dinner in Florence. Top is the brand Scoop. I loved this material in this beautiful green color. It's so soft. This actually does untie, so you can cinch it in. So 2 elastic bands here. I untied it, put it over my head, and sort of cinched it in to where I wanted it. A little ruffle sleeve. I want to say it's like cap length, and then you've got this extra ruffle here, but there is fabric blocking the like armpit area, so you can't see anything even though it's a V on the side. I love the crop of this. I love the ruffle flare at the bottom. Like, this overall top is such a pretty nice quality top, and from the back, just as cute. Let me tell you though, the pants, am I pleasantly surprised with these? So they're Free Assembly brand. They're a button zip pant, but they do have a drawstring feature. First of all though, the strings have this nice silver detail on the bottom, so it kind of weighs them down a little bit. I feel like that makes them look a little more classy. First time I put these pants on, I thought, oh no, they're too big in the waist, because they fit great in the hips, the butt, the thigh area, but this waistband was just a little bit big. But you cinch it in. Also, I picked the dark wash for these, which I thought would just dress up the outfit even more. And there you have it. They're cinched in. They do have pockets in the front. They do have pockets in the back. They're actual denim, just a drawstring, like very comfortable style. And I just left the Time and True espadrilles on. This outfit, I feel so cute in. You really can't beat the jeans. I think they just look so nice. I think you could easily dress them down as well if you wanted to do sandals, and like white boxy tee would be a cute casual everyday outfit. Again, I wanted to dress them up a little bit. I don't know why too, for some reason I associate the color green with Florence, Italy. Does anyone else feel that way? All right, outfit number 3. Again, I feel like all of these are hitting it out of the ballpark. The fit is nice, the quality is nice, they're comfortable, they're affordable. I know I said that in the beginning, but we do a lot of Walmart hauls here and we both like them equally. I think it's because of all those reasons. Last but certainly not least, we have this Time and True linen blend mini shift dress. I love the little extra ruffle at the bottom. If you're looking for something with a little bit more length, I think that this could be perfect. Also, these linen blend materials, again, I think would be perfect for the warmer weather. Last Walmart haul I did, which I will link it down below for you, I got a linen blend 2-piece set and I've worn it so many times and I love it. It's shorts and a top very similar style to this one. And I just think those are the perfect summer fabrics and sets, and we know I love a matching set. This one, no exception. I think it's adorable. The back straps actually have 2 button options, so you can make the straps a little bit shorter if you needed to. I actually put them on the last button, so they're a little bit longer. I am also wearing a regular bra, and I feel like the strap covers it almost perfectly. I kind of like the boxy look of the dress as well. I think it's casual but very classy. I feel like that's kind of the theme of the video as well. Everything I picked out I feel is very elevated and trendy. Of course, this dress has pockets, which I knew going into it, and it made me want it even more. And I think this is adorable with the espadrilles. Whole outfit, what are we thinking? Pasta dinner? We are doing a pasta making class. This could be a really cute option. We are going to get to wear aprons because they say it can get a little bit messy, but this, like I've already been saving picture styles that I want there, and this dress is honestly perfect for the kind of picture I want while I'm making pasta. All right, another win in my book. That is a wrap on this video. Everything is linked in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, I showed you like one outfit pairing, but I feel like you could mix and match the tops to go with the different bottoms, and that would be really cute too. So now that you've made it to the end of this video, what pieces are your favorites? What should absolutely go in my one hiking backpack that I get for a month? Thank you again to Walmart for partnering with me, sponsoring this video. I always have things in my cart on Walmart, so if we want to keep the Walmart hauls going, twist my arm. You know what I mean? Like, I can be talked into it very easily, so let me know down below. But that is a wrap on this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.